You were very aggressive this time, and you are criticized for not being very aggressive in the last session. Was that a very deliberate attempt?
No, see, to be honest, I feel it was part of a strategy that was in my head. Part of a strategy in the sense I come from a commercial aviation background. I've been taught that the minute I take a shower, I'm already at the in the cockpit operating. The minute I sit in the car or someone picks me up to go to the airport, I've already taken off. The minute I reach the airport, I've landed. So I have some sense. I've seen these. It is something that I've seen since my childhood, and I believe it was right for me because the speaker, who has to be a neutral authority, was just behaving and was doing what was told to him by the Mukhil Mantri. Mukhil Mantri tak dauda matalo. Mukhil Mantri direction ditalo. It looked as if the Mukhil Mantri was Chief Minister, Mukhil Mantri was Minister, Mukhil Mantri was Speaker. Mukhil Mantri was Secretary Legislature. So this has never happened.